kotse ba? Feel kotse na.
Just 2 years after its new generation came into the Philippines, may pabelo na agad ang Kia for the Carnival. Nandito na ang facelifted model and syempre, hindi lang ito change of looks. Yan ang titingnan natin in this video of the 2025 Kia Carnival. Syempre, pa-like this video, subscribe, share nyo rin sa GC nyo para di kayo masama sa party ni PBB. Usapang presyo muna, syempre. The new Kia Carnival is priced at 2,888,000 pesos for the EX and 3,368,000 pesos for the SX model. With that, ano nga ba ang makukuha ninyo? Well, ang pinaka-obvious ay updated looks. The new Kia Carnival has adapted the Opposites United design language na EV9 and EV5. But unlike those EVs, the Carnival retains its SUV/MPV shape. Nandito pa rin ang Tiger Nose Grille na signature ng Kia pero the grille part is bigger but the Tiger Nose part is less pronounced. Sa likod naman, it has a new taillight assembly with a light bar running across the tailgate. Inside, parang walang nagbago pero meron! Yung twin screen sa harap ng driver, mas cohesive na ang design. Fully digital na rin ang instrument cluster in front of the driver and both screens measure 12.3 inches. Wala na yung design accent sa dashboard, making it look simpler. Then sa aircon part, may dual switching system ito. Either ang lalabas na controls ay for the aircon or para sa ibang vehicle controls. Magandang space-saving measure ito sa totoo lang. Kesa nga naman maging sobrang konti ng buttons or ilagay sa touchscreen, ganito na nga lang. Sobrang nabawasan na rin ang gloss black panels dito sa interior at ang natira na lang ay yung sa housing ng shifter. Meron na din itong powered front seats with memory and 4-way lumbar support for the SX model. Sa likod, meron pa rin tayong captain seats or premium relaxation seats depending on the variant. Meron silang sariling automatic climate control, vents, sunshade at syempre, powered sliding doors. Sa safety naman, it now has an 8-airbag system and meron pa rin Kia DriveWise or their suite of advanced driver assist system. Pagdating sa makina, walang nagbago. The Kia Carnival still has the 2.2-liter SmartStream turbo diesel engine that makes 202 horsepower and 440 Nm of torque paired to an 8-speed automatic. Meron din itong 4 drive modes, Normal, Eco, Sport, and Smart for a custom driving experience. And that's our quick look of the 2025 Kia Carnival. Perfect ito sa mga small families na nakakaangat-angat sa buhay. Hindi mo naman laging kailangan ng van sa pamilya. Hayaan mo silang kumuha ng sarili nilang sasakyan, di ba? I'm your host, Stanley Chi, yung senpai ng Turbuhan, na nagpapaalala sa inyong lahat na i-follow ako sa mga social media accounts ko. Alam nyo na kung saan yun. So, paano ba yan? Kita-kits tayo sa next video, dito lang, sa Phil Kotse. Bye-bye!
Thanks for watching. For the latest news, reviews, and anything you want to know about cars and car ownership, visit philkotse.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify para hindi ka huli sa usapan. Tandaan, kotse ba? Phil Kotse na!